Hello, and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, Kaspa extended to the upside quite nicely. It followed our breakout pattern and cooperated quite nicely with the pathway I have laid out in the last videos and also in the last signal that I posted to channel members a couple of weeks ago, where we identified here a potential breakout pattern, basically an ascending triangle, which is quite obvious. And the main reason why I did that was because Kaspa did hold our support area. So there was this support level here at 4.1 cent, which did hold and then generated the jump off point for a breakout in an ascending triangle. So that's all working out nicely at the moment. Can still push higher, absolutely. We want to talk about how high. There are two main wave counts. There is the yellow one, in which at some point we should get quite a steep wave 4 correction and then a wave 5 up. So it would still push higher. Or a more bullish, short-term at least, ABC structure. I don't have a micro count really for that, but it projects out to 36 cents. But that's nothing new. We talked about that in the last update. But first of all, the yellow count is in control until something really bullish shows. We just need to be aware of the potential here in this C wave to the upside that again could reach the 1-to-1 ratio between waves A and C, and that takes us to 36 cents as next key level to watch. Looking at this shorter time frame count, I think, to be honest, even though it all worked out, I would like to make an adjustment to the count. Looking at the latest price action, I don't like the idea of this extended ABC in wave 3. I would rather do it like this: third wave here, fourth wave here, and then the fifth wave might be unfolding now. The next targets or extensions were highlighted as 6 cents, 6.5 cents. That's what we reached today. 7.4 or even 9 cents as next targets. But let's see if we can get other projections. If we now use the latest wave count, so it just looks better as a diagonal like this, even though there are always different ways of counting an Elliott wave diagonal pattern. Certainly not an impulse. But yeah, if this was a wave 1 up, if this was a wave 2 to the downside there, the low that was made in December, then I'm actually watching here. Let me just check something. I need to add the 1.786 extension level, 1.38. Yeah, so because these are the valid extensions, I want to leave them on the chart. I have to take out the lower projections. One sec. And then we've got all of that. So yeah, so if this is a 1-2, then this was the 3-4. Then we're now in a fifth wave. Basically within the fifth wave, we'd be in the fifth wave. Just take the subwaves out so we see a little bit better. And important is to understand that in a fifth wave of a diagonal, we often see the 1.618 extension, which is at 11.2 cents, or even the 1.786, which is at 15.7. So I'm not saying we will definitely get there, but these are realistic projections if we talk about this structure here, all right? Also, we only have 3 waves up of the wave 4 low here, so it should still go a little higher, to be honest, okay? So we've got this, yeah. So pay attention to the 7 cent level next, and above that, the next projection I've got is 11.2 cents. And we can focus on higher as long as the last swing low is holding. So ideally, we don't want the price to break below that breakout point again, which is at 5.2 cents. So as long as this level is holding for now, until we get a little bit more price action or price structure that we can define additional levels, right? But this is going to be quite a meaningful support level that ideally does not break anymore. Yeah? So ideally we want to hold that. I'll highlight that as a breakdown point if we lose it, which is what we want to avoid. Okay, so at the moment the focus is on higher, and we are watching the 7 cent level next, and then possibly even an extension to 11.2 cents. The micro count isn't very clear. That will likely shift because we're dealing with a diagonal. if we are really in this C wave, then it can extend even further. So I will closely monitor price action. Support level is pretty clear. I think it's pretty obvious. As long as we're holding that and the trend seems to be up in line with projections and previous analysis. So yeah, we're following the trend at the moment. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.